Hey, in front of me is Nokia X10 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on Display section. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Font Size. Lastly, just swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. And when you're ready, click on the back button. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!